Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Select Energy Services INC. Now one may ask, should I go for this stock or not, because why are you analyzing this stock? This stock is anyways going down, and the kind of market we are into, so what is the reason or what's the rationale behind that? So that's what we are going to discuss in the stock chart of Select Energy Services INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, instead of volatility, there are a couple of very important things that you can observe in the stock chart of Select Energy Services. Let me show it to you one by one, and that is why it's really interesting for me to analyze this stock, because this stock is doing some good things, or I rather say some very good things. So what do we have here? We have 7.64 and we have 7.11. So these are going to be our next two levels on the downside, which means 7.64 is going to be your immediate support, whereas $7 is going to be your stop loss. So please don't go below these two levels. This is very specific. Please do not go below these two levels. Now, if you can see this line, so this was a trend line and the stock keeps on moving below this line, okay, for the last 3 or 4 years, and eventually we have seen that a breakout has happened. As you can see, a breakout has happened. So this downtrending zone has already over and the stock moves on. More than that, if you're looking at this overall chart, what you can see are these levels. Okay, so here we are. So these are the levels. These are the levels on the downside, which the stock is holding. Slowly and steadily it has moved higher. Now the kind of pattern we have here, if the stock continues to sustain above $7.6 or 7.64 to be specific, we are ready to move higher, and it's going to be quite big, because what we are basically observing or looking for is the previous range or all the previous highs. It's going to be met this time, which means if the stock continues to sustain above 7.64, the first target we have here is 9.39. you have your second target of $12.7. then you will have your third target of 16.19 or 2. Then you will have your fourth target of 18.2, and the big target that we are going to look at over here will be $21 or $22. So all these levels are now open for you, and the kind of momentum or the initiation, it's like a launch pad when and this will take time to experience this kind of move, and you should have experience with the chart that whether it is ready for the move or not. Now, if you are specifically looking at this highlighted section, this looks like an ascending triangle and a breakout has happened above 7.6465. So there are multiple reasons why I am looking at this particular stock. So till $22 it is fine. We can't go beyond $22 because we do not have the data for that. But let me tell you, if it moves beyond 22, there will be even bigger targets, which in case it may move towards $40 or $50, it's not a big deal. So this looks like a very good momentum right now, but the condition is the stock must not fall below $7, and please do not go below $7, as this is going to be your strict stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for